Hi, I'm Kelly Malone for Connection, and I'm joined by Kristen Hintlian, AMD Channel Sales Manager for Connection. In this video, we're covering the Lenovo ThinkPad Z13 Series. All right, so Kristen, let's get right to the heart of the device, the CPU. So there are a lot of choices out there. Why AMD Ryzen PRO?
So the Z13 series is absolutely amazing. Lenovo and AMD have come together, and inside this device, we've got the 7040 series. Absolutely amazing device, and this has the Zen 4 architecture inside. It has 4 nanometer technology, which gives you up to 29% faster responsiveness. With Ryzen AI under the hood, you're going to be able to be more secure, have a faster responsiveness, and be able to securely remote manage your entire infrastructure. This is really what IT leaders are going to want to future-proof their organizations.
So you mentioned the magic word AI. Artificial intelligence seems to be popping up everywhere. What can you tell me about AMD Ryzen AI and what it has to offer ThinkPad users who work from anywhere?
Users that might be working from a coffee shop that have a lot of background noise, they're really going to benefit because there is noise cancellation. Also, there's eye correction. If you're looking at the screen and you want to see the content that someone's projecting, you're not going to have that strange eye look.
So no more moving, when you're on a Teams call, moving everything to the top of the camera so it looks like you're looking at the camera but you're trying to look at a document?
Exactly. It's going to fix your eyes, so it's going to look like you're actually looking at the user and not looking at the screen and not the users.
Wow, that's incredible. When it comes to the IT team or even the CTO, what does the Lenovo ThinkPad Z13 series offer a large or small business or even a top 500 organization?
Ryzen AI is all about advancing the workforce and also helping to bring better battery life, enhanced security, enhanced productivity, and enhanced performance to the users. If your users are trying to use AI and bring all of that data to the forefront of their organization and honestly be able to take information from their latest meeting, and maybe there's a lot of confidential data in there, but be able to summarize it and bring it to their boss. With Ryzen AI, everything that you're doing is extraordinarily secure because you're not putting it out on the World Wide Web. It's all happening at the chip level. So you're able to keep everything internal. Your security practices are being kept on your devices. So it truly does keep everything in-house, just changing the game.
Well, it's nice to have that peace of mind, for sure. And there's a lot of value, of course, with this ultra lightweight, portable, and stylish design. Kristen, thank you very much.
Thank you.
If you're ready to learn more about the Lenovo ThinkPad series, head over to Connection today and discover one to fit your work style, needs, and budget by visiting connection.com/Ryzen.